In this video, we will show you how to replace your cylinder head temperature sensor on this Ford Ranger with a 2.3-liter engine. This will be mounted directly along the top of your engine. Let's get into it. A quick note, to be able to remove the sensor, you will want to have a specialty 19mm socket, one that goes deep enough for the electrical connector to make its way up inside. A common socket like this does not go deep enough. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate the cylinder head temperature sensor. That's going to be located just inside the center of the valve cover on the top of your engine. To start removing this, gain access to it by carefully removing the protective rubber boot. Disconnect the electrical connector and give it a quick inspection for corrosion. Assuming it looks good, go ahead and set that aside. Now let's use that specialty 19mm socket. We'll come right down into the port here. We'll bring this over the connector. And now we can start turning this counterclockwise to remove it from the engine. Be extremely careful that nothing falls inside of this port. There it is, friend. Before you continue on to installing your brand new sensor, it's important to make sure you clean and inspect the mounting point in the center there. Okay, let's get ready for our installation. Go ahead and start this in by hand, bottom it out, and then torque that to 106 inch-pounds. The next thing we'll do is continue on with our electrical connector. Go ahead and press it in. Listen for a click, give it a little tug to make sure it's secure, and then protect it with that rubber boot. Okay friend, we finished our installation. At this point, hop in the passenger compartment. Let your vehicle run for a little while, make sure you have no check engine light, and take your vehicle for a road test. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.